Hi, I'm Justin Cerne, and I'm the Artistic Director of the Theater Workshop of Nantucket. So this has been an interesting year for a lot of different organizations. I feel that theater particularly has been hit really hard by the pandemic that's now currently sweeping our country and our globe. And one of the first thoughts was, how are we going to go virtual? How are we going to retain an audience? How are we going to create content that's interesting and unique? And working with NCTV is actually one of the ways that we created one of the most unique experiences that we've had thus far at Theater Workshop. We have had the pleasure of working with NCTV for many, many seasons. They record our shows at the Theater Workshop of Nantucket. However, this year, of course, the audience was empty, but NCTV came to our rescue and helped us produce our first ever live telethon event. It was quite an undertaking, and NCTV was right there with us. They were up for the challenge. We could not have been happier with the final product, but also happier with how everything went all along the process. It was just a really great experience. So one of the things that I really love about working with NCTV, particularly on our live telethon event this past summer, was the professionalism they brought to all of the meetings we had with them, their willingness to have all of the meetings with us. They were there from start to finish. Particularly, Andrew Camardi has been a friend of Theater Workshops, and I've actually had the pleasure of directing him in a couple of readings, but it's really unique to get to work with him now in his role here at NCTV, and he was just stellar throughout the entire process. He kept all of us calm, and I can't thank him enough for all of his hard work. Something about NCTV that if you haven't worked with them, you don't know yet, is that they're just such a great group of people, and that the answer always is yes. They don't ever look at you and go, well, that's crazy, Justin, that can't happen. Dee and Andrew and Lisa have always, through all the years that I've worked with them, their answer has always been, yes, we can make that happen, we'll try, or we can't do that, but we can do this. And I think in this moment where we're all searching for the creativity and to make these special virtual moments happen and unique to our organizations, I don't think you could find a better group of people than the people at NCTV. And then, I mean, I don't know if you've ever been to their facilities, but they're pretty fantastic for 30 miles out to sea. So I think we're really lucky to have them here, and you'd be lucky to get to work with them.